Technology protects our safety. Our advanced DT-520 portable SDR frequency jammer subverts traditional design concept and technology, leading a new revolution in accurate jamming on wireless signals. As a top-level TSCM equipment with the most complete jamming frequency range in the industry, DT-520 adopts SDR signaling level interference strategy. Through FPGA processing technology, it can accurately interferes with wireless signals from both physical layer and virtual layer modulations aspects. This realizes perfectly jamming public network 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G full-range segments, remote control cars, drones, audio intercom, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. The innovative design concept of integrated antenna completely solves the problem of slow deployment on site. It also effectively avoids the typical auxiliary wave alarms problem and even risks of burning the equipment due to the loose installation of traditional antennas one by one. DT-520 only needs to easily unfold the antenna board. Just one-click startup, you can set the deployment in seconds. The leading SDR solution makes DT-520 at ultra-low sending power consumption and whole working power consumption. This is superior to other similar products. It supports both AC and battery power supply. With plug-and-play standardized design. It is convenient to be deployed and operated for a long time. Furthermore, DT-520 can realize firmware updating newly added wireless frequency band through software. Without replacing hardware, it effectively protects the customer's hardware investment.